In this video, you will learn how to activate your eSIM on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone device. Open your camera application, scan your eSIM QR code, click on the mobile plan pop-up. Your settings app will be automatically opened. Click Allow on the pop-up message. Your eSIM is now ready to activate. Click Continue. Click on Done. You will now be asked to label your eSIM. You can leave it as mobile data or label it as GLOBALCELL. Click Continue. You can now choose your default calling line. Now you can choose which mobile plan to use with iMessage and FaceTime. Click Turn On if you previously chose GLOBALCELL's eSIM as your iMessage and FaceTime plan. Finally, make sure to choose your GLOBALCELL eSIM as the default mobile data line. Click Continue. Click on Mobile Data and make sure your GLOBALCELL eSIM is chosen. Now scroll down and click on your GLOBALCELL eSIM line. Make sure your data roaming option is turned on. We can now enter our browser app to test our connection. Perfect! Enjoy your new eSIM and thank you for choosing GLOBALCELL. For more how-to videos, check out our playlist.